Have you ever felt that the night sky is watching you back? Long before cities, before history had a name, humans looked up and felt something ancient looking down. A silent ocean of light stretched above them, endless, patient, unmoving, yet alive with meaning. Every culture, every generation, every lonely traveler under darkness asked the same question without words. Why are we drawn to the stars? Tonight, we are not just telling history. We are uncovering a secret bond between human eyes and the universe itself. A connection older than language, older than fire, older than memory. And by the end of this journey, you may realize something unsettling. The stars were never just distant lights. They were always part of us. The first humans had no telescopes, no maps, no names for what they saw. Yet night after night, they looked upward with quiet obsession. The sky became their ceiling, their calendar, their guide through darkness. Hunters tracked seasons by star patterns. Travelers followed moving lights across endless land. In caves, early artists painted dots and lines that mirrored constellations above them. These were not decorations. They were memory. They were survival. When darkness covered the world, the stars became the only certainty. But something deeper was happening. Early humans did not see cold, empty space. They saw presence, shapes, stories, meaning woven into the sky. The universe was not silent to them. It spoke through patterns, and humanity listened with awe and fear. As civilizations rose, the sky transformed from mystery into structure. In ancient cities, people built monuments aligned perfectly with celestial movements. The stars were no longer just admired. They were measured, predicted, honored. Night became a map of destiny. Farmers planted crops by lunar cycles. Kings claimed power through heavenly signs. Priests studied movements above with patient precision. Across continents separated by oceans, humans created similar constellations, similar myths, similar awe. It was as if the sky taught the same lesson everywhere. But why did different cultures, who never met, read the stars in such similar ways? The patterns in the sky did not change, but human interpretation did. And still, every civilization felt the same pull, as if something universal was guiding human attention upward. Time moved forward, but human curiosity did not fade. Instead, it sharpened. Early astronomers began recording precise positions of stars. They tracked motion night after night, year after year. Slowly, a realization emerged. The heavens were not chaotic. They followed rules. Predictable, mathematical, beautiful. The sky became a grand mechanism rather than a divine mystery. Yet this discovery did not remove wonder. It deepened it. If the universe obeyed laws, who wrote them? If stars moved with order, what unseen force shaped their paths? Human thought expanded outward, reaching beyond myth toward understanding. But with every answer came a deeper question. The more clearly humans saw the stars, the more mysterious their origin became. Then came a turning point. Humans created instruments that extended vision beyond natural limits. Glass lenses revealed details never seen before. The moon showed scars. Planets revealed motion. The sky was no longer distant decoration. It was a physical place, a vast, real environment. And this realization changed everything. The universe was not a dome above Earth. Earth was a small part within it. Humanity was not at the center. We were observers floating in immensity. This discovery shook belief systems, challenged power, and ignited fear. Yet people continued looking up, because once the universe revealed depth, curiosity became unstoppable. As knowledge expanded, so did distance. The stars were no longer points of light. They were suns. Entire systems. Worlds beyond imagination. Humanity learned that light from some stars began traveling before human history even existed. When we look up, we see the past. Every glance into the sky is a journey backward in time. This realization changed stargazing forever. The night sky became a record of cosmic memory. But here is what unsettled many thinkers. If we are seeing ancient light, then the universe has been watching us longer than we have watched it. And a question emerged quietly. Are we only observers? Throughout history, people described a strange emotional response while stargazing. A feeling of smallness mixed with belonging. Fear mixed with comfort. Scientists called it cosmic awe. Philosophers called it connection. But why does looking at distant light create such powerful emotion inside the human mind? Why does silence above feel familiar rather than empty? Brain studies later revealed something astonishing. The human mind is wired to seek patterns in the sky automatically. We do not learn to search for meaning above. We instinctively do it, as if expectation exists before knowledge, as if recognition precedes discovery. Modern technology allowed humanity to leave Earth's surface and look back at the stars from space itself. Astronauts described overwhelming silence. No sound, no validity, just endless light in all directions. But something unexpected happened. From space, stars did not appear closer. They appeared more distant than ever. The universe did not feel conquered. It felt infinite. And many who traveled beyond Earth reported the same thought. We are not separate from the cosmos. We are part of its process, matter looking at itself, the observer and the observed sharing the same origin. Yet the deeper scientists looked, the stranger the truth became. The elements inside the human body, carbon, oxygen, iron, were formed inside ancient stars. Long before Earth existed, massive suns lived and died, scattering matter across space. That matter eventually formed planets, oceans, life, and humans. The atoms in your body were once part of burning stars. This is not poetry, it is physics. But this discovery raises a haunting thought. When humans look at the night sky, are we observing distant objects or remembering our origin? For thousands of years, humans believed they were looking outward. But what if the act of stargazing has always been something else? What if it is recognition? Every generation felt the same pull toward the sky without being taught. Every culture found meaning above. Every mind sensed familiarity in distant light. Perhaps this is not coincidence. Perhaps something within us responds to the stars because it once belonged to them. The sky is not foreign territory. It is ancient home seen from afar. The final revelation is simple, yet profound. Humans do not merely study the universe. We are the universe becoming aware of itself. The urge to look up is not curiosity alone. It is memory written into matter. Every time someone pauses under the night sky, the cosmos witnesses its own existence through human awareness. The observer is not separate from the observed. The stars are not distant strangers. They are ancient relatives. And stargazing is not an activity, it is a reunion. Tonight, when darkness falls and you look up, remember this journey. The same sky watched early humans. The same light traveled across ages to reach your eyes. You are not just seeing stars. You are continuing a story billions of years in motion. If this idea changed how you see the night sky, stay with this channel. More mysteries are waiting above us, around us, and within us. Look up again, and this time, notice how familiar the universe feels.